Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic. And today I'm joined by Victor. Victor has recently been experiencing quite some pain in the upper shoulder area, having difficulty moving his neck from side to side, usually after a lot of work. So today we're going to treat him, see what we can do. 来吧。放松。我操 ！Sorry。不疼吗？
不疼，但你要让我去适应一下。吸气，呼气。
可以吗？
可以。吸气，呼气。很好。吸气，呼气。And breathe in us one more time. And be with him. That's all. All right, good. You survived. Yep.
How do you feel?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good.
Would you recommend this for anyone?
Of course. I already recommend it to a lot of my friends, to be honest.
Well, thank you. Well, this is Dr. Alex, Victor, and from ChiroCare. See you next time. 再见。